you've heard of SEO, you've probably heard people talking about it all over. You know in the back of your head you probably need it for yourself, but at the same time you just can't be asked to use it. Or maybe you think, meh, probably doesn't matter too much for me.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I need it!
If that sounds like you, this video might be your new best friend, cutting out all the long research time and still helping you set things up properly. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Search Atlas? Search Atlas is an SEO platform built by actual SEO practitioners who run real agencies and work with clients. That's a big difference compared to most SEO tools on the market, which are usually designed by software developers who don't actually understand the industry. The whole idea behind Search Atlas is that it's not just a reporting tool, it's an action platform. That means it doesn't just tell you what's broken, it gives you the ability to fix it right inside the platform. HighLevel partnered with Search Atlas to bring a big part of the engine directly inside of your HighLevel account. So instead of having to subscribe to multiple disconnected SEO tools for keywords, audits, backlinks, and content, you can now handle most of that in one place. The goal here is simple: make SEO less overwhelming, more streamlined, and easier to deliver as a service for agencies and businesses. The reason most businesses and even a lot of agencies struggle with SEO isn't because they don't care about it, it's because the process is so fragmented. One tool for keyword research, another for backlinks, another for audits. None of them really connect, and you're left placing together reports instead of making progress. That's exactly what the Search Atlas team ran into while running their own agency. They needed one platform that not only showed them the problems, but actually could help them fix them. That's what makes the HighLevel integration so powerful. Now you can research, audit, fix, and track everything from inside one dashboard. To use the SEO tools, you need to activate it as an add-on inside of HighLevel. It's simple, you just turn it on and you can use it for yourself or even resell it to your clients under your own branding. Let me show you how you can do that. So inside your HighLevel agency view, if you come down to reselling and then come over here and scroll down to SEO powered by Search Atlas. If you want to resell it to the other sub accounts, then just make sure you toggle this on and then set your price. This will now make it available at that price to the other sub accounts in your agency. Then once it's activated, you can come into your sub account, come down to sites, up to SEO, then you're inside the SEO tool. If you want to create a new site project, then click on this blue button. You'll just add the domain, select the country, and then click add. Once that's done, your domain will be populated like this, and in just a few moments, all the data will be pulled in for that domain. Then when you click inside of it, this is where you'll see the overview dashboard. Here's where things can get a little bit more confusing, so let's clear it up. What you see inside the SEO tab inside of HighLevel right now is what the team calls phase 1. That's all about the foundation, fixing the basics like titles, descriptions, headers, image tags, site speed, and keyword tracking. But you've probably noticed another button that says Launch Advanced SEO. That takes you into the full Search Atlas dashboard, which is where the more advanced tools live. Things like competitor research, topical maps, content planning, and local SEO heat maps. And after looking into some of the interviews that the Search Atlas team had with HighLevel, and as far as I understand, there was no point in rolling out all the advanced tools in phase 1 if the foundations were not in place first. Without that, nothing else in SEO really works. So think of it like this. Phase 1 is to fix the foundations inside of HighLevel, and phase 2, expand and scale using the full Search Atlas suite. Over time, more of those advanced features will get pulled directly into HighLevel, but for now, the split is intentional. Okay, now we get into this section. Again, you can get here by going back, and then once your new site project is loaded, just click on the name. This is the overview dashboard of this entire site. The first section gives you a snapshot of how strong your site is online, your authority, and rank on how much traffic you're pulling in. Right below that is your site health check. It scans your pages, shows how many were crawled, and how many issues were found, and gives you a clear score of how things stand. These charts here break down how many of your pages are actually indexable, and whether your site loads fast enough to give users a good experience. Over here, you can track your backlinks, not just how many you have, but the types of links and whether they follow or no follow. Then you've got your keyword rank tracking, which shows you how your keywords are performing in Google, whether you're in the top 3, on page 1, or further back. And if you want to go deeper, this table breaks it down keyword by keyword. You can see exactly where you rank now, how much traffic each keyword brings, and even what page of your site is ranking for that term. Then when you scroll back to the top, you'll see right next to the overview button, you have AI recommendations. Finally, this is where the AI really shines. Instead of just pointing out the issues, it gives you recommended fixes for things like the titles, meta descriptions, headers, and image tags. And the best part is you don't have to leave the screen. You just click fix issue and it applies the changes instantly. That's the kind of saver that makes SEO way less overwhelming. You'll see over here on the left hand side, if I come down to title tags, I don't have any suggested to fix. But if I come down to maybe missing images, alt text, you'll see I have some issues over here. If I scroll, I have a total of 16 where I can go and individually fix each issue or just fix all of them by clicking this button. You'll see it tells you the page URL, so which pages the fix is going to happen on, then the image URL, which is the image you have on your site on that specific page, and then the recommended fix. This is a cleverly crafted SEO recommendation where if you wanted to edit it before fixing it, you can click on the pencil icon right next to it. Then you can maybe add something or change something, and once you click on save, it will update this area, and then you can click on fix issue for it to automatically go in. So you can go ahead and do that for all the different sections. Again, this makes it super easy to get you organized and make sure the foundations of your SEO is correct. So just go ahead ahead and read through all of them and fix them if necessary. If you look in the top right here, you'll see this button that says Launch Advanced SEO. As far as I understand, this button opens the full Search Atlas suite. Again, this is where the more advanced tools live. If I scroll down here a bit, you'll see another overview for the websites, the site audit, as well as the keyword rank tracker, as well as GSC insights. I won't go too deep into this today because they can get pretty advanced, but if you'd like a full breakdown of these tools in another video, then just let us know in the comments below. So to wrap this up, here's what you really need to know. Search Atlas is the SEO engine powering HighLevel's SEO feature. Phase 1, which you can get access directly inside of HighLevel, is all about fixing the foundations: titles, metas, headers, image tags, speed, and keyword tracking. Phase 2 unlocks more advanced tools like competitor research, content planning, and local SEO. The key is you don't need to figure out 10 different tools anymore. You can now run audits, fix issues, and start improving rankings right inside of HighLevel. If you want to see Keaton selling software door to door and see how much money he made or how many times he got rejected, then make sure you check out this video. And as always, thanks for watching.